Time to bolt!
You can do it! What? Not again! Ah!
Nice rocket race car, but
Ah!
good thing I have one last trick up my sleeve. A glue cannon! They're in for a sticky situation. Ah! Uh-oh. Frankfurt, fix it!
Look out, glue!
I've got this!
Don't worry, Frankfurt. We'll still beat them to the finish line. Oh no, the steering wheel's stuck. Ah, the brakes too.
Yes, we're winning!
Help! I can't stop or turn.
Oh no! Frankie's going to crash!
I'm on it! Don't worry, Frankie. We'll get you around that corner. One little bump should do it.
Rusty, stop!
I can't!
And the racers are in the final stretch. They're almost at the finish line.
We might still win.
That's Rusty and Ruby's car! Yes, we won!
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.